The tongue has many different functions. One of the main one is taste. This is a map of the tongue and where you taste different flavors. Here we see that you taste sour. Mostly things that contain forms of acid, acetic acid, or citric acid, or lactic acid. You taste citrus fruits and vinegar in this part of the tongue and the other side right here. Right here in the middle, we see umami. Umami refers to a savory, rich, or meaty flavor. Foods like tomatoes, asparagus, fish, mushrooms, and soy. Many umami tasting foods contain glutamate. Here towards the back of the tongue is where you taste bitter things. Usually things that are bitter have like caffeine or compounds from plants inside of them. Bitter is a complex taste based on whether someone likes it or not. Certain people like it, certain people don't. Here in the front of the tongue is where you taste things that are salty. Table salt, it's either table salt, sodium chloride, or mineral salts like magnesium or potassium. Salty things like pretzels, chips, and movie theater popcorn. That's where you taste it. Your tongue receives the message. A little bit farther up we see is where you taste sweet things. Mostly sugar, sucrose, glucose, fructose, and lactose. Things like honey, fruit, and ice cream. These dots on the tongue represent fungiform papillae. Each papillae contains clusters of different taste buds. And one taste bud holds 50 to 100 taste receptor cells. Here's a close-up of the bumps you see on your tongue that are called fungiform papillae. These larger structures are the structures that contain most of the taste buds on your tongue. These smaller, more pointy structures called filiform papillae are located in between your fungiform papillae that you see. Here we see a close-up of a taste bud. Taste buds work with olfactory receptors in your nose to let you experience flavor. Chewing food with teeth and saliva work together to break down food. This breaking down releases chemicals from food that hit your taste buds. Those chemical signals go up to receptors in your nose through nasal passages, right as we see right here, and that goes all the way to your gustatory cortex in your brain. Together, the nose and mouth help you to experience flavor. The average adult has anywhere from 2,000 to 10,000 taste buds. Here we see a diagram that shows how the tongue is the only muscle in the body that can actively become shorter and longer. Flexibility of the tongue is important for speaking. The tongue, lips, teeth, and mouth work together to create understandable sounds coming from the throat. The tongue is very agile and quick. It can produce over 90 words per minute by using more than 20 different movements. The tongue is vital for speaking.